Hey friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn numbers and colors sorting activity. Let's start. Number 1. One dog. Red color 1. One yellow colored ball. Number 2. Two elephants. 1, 2. Yellow color 2. 2 red balls. 1 and 2. Number 3. 3 gorillas. 1, 2, 3. 3 gorillas. Blue color number 3. We need 1 turquoise and 2 green balls. 1, 2 and 3. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green frogs. We need 2 blue color, 2 orange color balls. Green color number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number 5. 5 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 orange color cats. Purple color number 5. We need 3 purple balls and 2 turquoise balls. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number 6. 6 lions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Flip the next side. Red color number 6. 3 orange balls, 3 blue balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Number 7. 7 foxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Flip the next side. Yellow color number 7. 1 yellow ball and 6 red balls. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Number 8. 8 penguins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Flip the next side. Blue color number 8. We need 3 yellow balls, 2 purple and 3 green color balls. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Number 9. 9 brown bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Flip the next side. Green color number 9. We need 3 turquoise, 3 green and 3 blue color balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The last number is number 10. 10 rats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Flip the next side. Purple color number 10. We need 3 yellow balls, 2 orange, 2 turquoise and 3 purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I hope you all learned and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more learning videos. Thanks for watching.